The Kangarobe system for safe and comfortable kangaroo care. Kangaroo care has been proven to have many benefits for medically fragile babies, including better weight gain, improved cognitive development, and decreased hospitalization stays. The current solution for kangaroo care in the intensive care nursery includes taping tubes and lines to chairs, to the parent's clothing, and even to parent's skin. Ouch! The Kangarobe system solves this problem. The Kangarobe is made to be soft and comfortable while decreasing barriers and respecting modesty. It decreases transfer time, which improves nurses' and RT's workflow, and also decreases the amount of time that baby desaturates with transfers. There's a choice of fasteners to hold breathing tubes and IV lines. In addition, there is a special opening in the garment that allows nurses to check wounds and do heel sticks without unwrapping the baby. Mothers can use this opening to pump milk while doing kangaroo care. Finally, we are exploring integrating biosensors for monitoring baby's vital signs, bowel sounds, and baby sleep and movement patterns.
Yeah, but no, this is good though. This is definitely much more secure, and then it's not like slipping or anything. So probably it's just the perfect sizing for the tubing.
The Kangarobe system for safe and comfortable kangaroo care.